By a sparkling stream, Pip Puff the tiny pillow woke with a soft little bounce. The water went tip-tip, tippy-tip over the stones. Pip Puff smiled and said, "Cozy splash, cozy splash." Pip Puff wanted everyone to feel safe and snug. So Pip Puff set off on a small, bright adventure. Pip Puff rolled to a wobbly pebble and whispered, "Cozy splash, cozy splash." The pebble looked chilly, so Pip Puff tucked beside it like a tiny hug. The stream said tip-tip, and the pebble seemed to listen. Pip Puff felt proud and puffy. Then Pip Puff went on, soft and slow, to the next little wonder. Pip Puff reached a leaf boat floating near the bank. "Cozy splash, cozy splash." Pip Puff sang again, a little bigger this time. The leaf boat bobbed, bob bob bob, and Pip Puff gave it a tiny nudge with a fluffy corner. Then the leaf boat drifted happily downstream. Pip Puff giggled, because small help can feel big and bright. Soon Pip Puff found a dragonfly resting on a reed. Flutter flutter, flutter flutter. "Cozy splash, cozy splash." Pip Puff called, even sweeter than before. The dragonfly twinkled its wings and followed the sound of the stream. Pip Puff made a tiny nest of grass nearby, just in case a cozy rest was needed. Everything felt like a little hello. Then the wind gave a happy whoosh, and Pip Puff puffed up with joy. "Cozy splash, cozy splash." Pip Puff sang the biggest yet. The stream chimed, the stones shimmered, and even the grass seemed to sway along. Pip Puff tucked into the warm sun, and the pebble, the leaf boat, and the dragonfly came close. What a merry, twinkly, cozy little gathering. At sunset, Pip Puff looked at the stream and smiled a soft, happy smile. "Cozy splash, cozy splash," Pip Puff whispered one last time. The pebble felt warm, the leaf boat drifted sweetly, and the dragonfly gleamed like a tiny star. Pip Puff learned that simple wonders can make the whole world feel magical. And with a snuggle and a sigh, Pip Puff was cozy too. The end.